How much money can you make growing grapes in a greenhouse? Let's break it down. I planted grapes in a 0.1 hectare greenhouse, that's about a quarter of an acre. In this small area, I have 100 grapes, and each vine gives me about 40 kilograms, which is about 88 pounds of fruit. That's a total of 4,000 kilograms, or about 8,800 pounds of grapes in one season. Now let's talk about prices. Today, grapes in the United States are sold at the following prices: wholesale, $1.30 to $1.50 per pound, retail or organic, often $1.75 to $2.15 per pound. Sometimes more. Let's do the math. If I sell for $1.50 per pound, my gross profit is 8,800 pounds times $1.50 equals $13,200. But if I retail for $2.00 per pound, 8,800 pounds times $2 equals $17,600. After expenses, I deduct the costs of production, seeds, water, fertilizer, labor, packaging, which are about 30% to 40% of the revenue. That means my net profit could be anywhere from $8,000 to $11,000, all from a space smaller than my backyard. You can try it too.